Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are going to press some flowers and then frame them in glass frames. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's frame some pressed flowers. A microwave and an old book is the perfect way to press your flowers quickly. So give it a try. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.